Hi guys, it's Riley, and today I'm going to demonstrate to you a challenge that I've created, and it's called the Twisted Knob Challenge. And it's kind of like the Bop It Button Challenge, which was created by Nodge. I have a few people that I'm going to recommend this to, and the people that I'm going to recommend these to are Samlock, Ice Cream Junkie 666, Clay Ranger 143, My Arcade Guy, Evangelos Nodge, and Craig Wilson. So it's kind of like the Bop It Button Challenge, but as you may have guessed, the only difference is that you have to stop when it calls twist it, and if you twist it, then you lose, and you have to try and get as many points as you can without doing the twist it. So I'm just gonna demonstrate to you. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is the Bop It Extreme. I'm just gonna demonstrate to you how the Twisted Challenge actually works.
Beat bop, solo, box bop, beat bop, box bop, solo.
And it's best if you do the solo games, because then you have the then you can see how many points you've actually got.
Spin it. Twist it.
Oh crap, I cheated. Okay, I'm gonna try that again, because that time I cheated.
Score.
I don't count that.
Flick it.
It's very easy to
Twist it.
cheat in a challenge, but
Bummer. Score.
it's very easy to cheat in a challenge, but you have to try not to, because that's why it's called a challenge, because you're not allowed to do something, and if you do it, then you don't complete the challenge.
Spin it. Pop it. Spin it. Twist it. Down. Dude. Score. Spin it. Twist it. Down. Bummer. Score. Pull it. Spin it. Pull it. Twist it. Down. Bummer. Score. Pop it. Pop it. Flick it. Twist it. Down. Bummer. Score. Twist it.
Oh my god, really?
Game over. Pop it. Pop it. Spin it. Pop it. Spin it. Pull it. Flick it. Spin it. Pop it. Pop it. Flick it. Flick it. Pull it. Twist it. Down.
Well, that's a lot.
Bummer. Score.
13. Okay, I'm gonna do one more try
Pop
to
it.
see if I can beat my score.
Flick it. Twist it. Down. Dude. Score.
Okay, so the next one I'm gonna try with is the Bop It Blast. Now, before I continue, I just want to say, for those of you who have Bop It Shout and XT, because the game always begins with Bop It, Twist It, Pull It, you should do the first Twist It, and then all subsequent Twist Its, you don't do it.
Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Beat box bop. Pop it. Pull it. Pop it. Pull it. Pop it. Pull it. Twist it. Ah! Score. 6. Pull it.
I did pretty good that time,
Pop it.
because
Pull it.
this one is a
Pop it.
three-way Bop It. There's gonna be less variance.
Score. 4.
There's gonna be less command variance.
Pop it.
7 is pretty good.
Pull it. Twist it. Ah! Score 1. Pull it. Pop it. Pull it. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Twist it. Ah! Score 6. Pop it. Pull it. Twist it. Ah! Score 2. Pop it. Twist it. Ah! Score 1. Pop it. Twist it. Ah! Score 1. Pull it. Pop it. Pull it. Pop it. Twist it. Ah! Score 4.
Okay, I'm gonna do one more try, and then I'll end the video.
Pull it. Pull it. Pop it. Twist it. Ah! Score 3.
Okay, so that was the Twisted Knob Challenge. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.